Welcome to PBI AI Agent. When you import the PBI Agent visual into your Power BI dashboard, you'll first see the licensing screen. To get your free license, simply enter your email and click Request License Key. A free license key will be generated, including 100 complimentary queries to get you started. Copy the license key and head over to the Visuals configuration pane on the right. Open the license configuration setting and paste in your key. Once validated, the chat interface will appear. Don't forget to add the data you want PBI Agent to analyze. That's what powers the conversation. At the top of the chat interface, you'll see a query counter. Just below it is a model selector. PBI AI Agent currently supports Claude Sonnet, OpenAI GPT, Google Gemini. Choose whichever model suits your needs or matches your available API key. To the right of the model selector is the chat history button. Your last 3 chats are saved for quick reference. You can also start a new chat anytime using the plus button. Below that, you'll find the data preview, showing the dataset currently in use. This helps you write more effective and targeted prompts. To begin a conversation, you can either choose a predefined question or type your own into the message box at the bottom. Let's try one of the predefined questions. Let's ask the agent to analyze patterns. Great. The patterns have been analyzed and a highly insightful response has been returned. Okay, let's ask something more specific. What are the top 3 countries by sum of value? After a brief moment, we get the response. United States, Germany, and the United Kingdom, just as expected. Now let's take it further and ask for a bar chart showing the top 3 countries by sum of value. And there it is, a clean, well-formatted bar chart. Looks almost identical to Power BI's native visual. Finally, let's explore the formatting and settings pane. Under API configuration, you'll need to add your API key for Claude, OpenAI, or Gemini, depending on the model you've chosen. This gives you full control over usage and settings. When it comes to formatting, you have a rich set of options. You can hide or show the chat header, model selector, and data preview, perfect for tailoring the experience to your users. You can also customize everything from the welcome message to AI response styling, including fonts and colors, so the visual blends seamlessly with your theme. And that's it. A quick walkthrough of PBI AI Agent, a powerful AI assistant right inside your Power BI dashboard. It's optimized for data analysis and works seamlessly across all Power BI environments, desktop, online, and report server. Thanks for watching and enjoy using PBI AI Agent.